The UK will give multiple launch rocket systems to Ukraine to help the country defend itself against Russian aggression, the defense secretary has announced. The cutting-edge M270 weapon system, which can strike targets up to 80 kilometers away with pinpoint accuracy, will offer a significant boost in capability for the Ukrainian forces. The UK's decision has been coordinated closely with the US decision to give the high-mobility artillery rocket system variant of MLRS. The decision by Ben Wallace comes in response to requests from Ukrainian forces for longer-range precision weapons in order to defend themselves from Russian heavy artillery, which has been used to devastating effect in the eastern Donbas region. We will see what will Ukrainians do with the new heavy artillery, but until then they are doing a fine job with what they have. Everyone is used to Ukrainian-made anti-tank weapon Stugna P, but let's not forget about another Ukrainian ATGM, RK-3 Corsair. Here a soldier of the National Guard of Ukraine destroying 3 Russian vehicles with the system somewhere in the east. This is another shut-down Russian fighter, now in Zaporozhye. From the aftermath of the attack, probably a Su-25. Ukrainian Stugna PATGM strike by Ukraine's 93rd Mechanized Brigade on a Russian tank.
Ой-ой-ой. На! Бочню разворотило на. Красавчик, снял?
Video of D-30 artillery strikes by Ukraine's Kraken unit on Russian targets in Kharkiv Oblast. A newly outfitted Ukrainian armored unit equipped with Polish T-72M1 tanks MBTs and Dutch YPR 765s APCs. Incredible. Zelensky visited frontline Ukrainian positions near Lysychansk, west of Severodonetsk. That area of Luhansk region, the last under Kyiv control, has seen heavy fighting around the clock in recent weeks. He was briefed on the situation and handed out awards to soldiers.
Разом прибув.
Дякую, пане капітане, за службу. Дякую за службу.
Спасибо.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.